Here and I say back to sender. What do you think is back to sender? Back to sender is total internal reflection, meaning what's thrown at you hits right back to the people who throw them at you. That's the connection. Back to sender, total internal reflection. So your inner self, chi, is related to how you relate with God. Karma is all about total internal reflection. Build a totally solid and different spiritual medium within yourself so that you can always experience total internal reflection and things will be different for you. Onye, ekwe, do the right thing and God Almighty will guide your ways. Onye, ekwe, do the right thing, Chineke will guide you. Ashim nene, fracas, more fire, fuka.